Alright guys, so yes, you see, if you don't believe me, you have to try this yourself, and trust me, you will see the amazing one which you're going to get from it. But I'm gonna tell you this, if you never met this before, I would encourage you to give this a try at home. Alright, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and please subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself, and let's make this together right now. Amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just something amazing. You know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch, and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this too. Yeah. So we're gonna go for it now. So hopefully you guys can understand what's going on. Okay. All right. As I say, simple, beautiful. So this is our blender, which I'm going to be using. All right. We're going to put 1 lime inside of the blender, and we're going to use some fresh organic ginger. All right. Now, people don't know that turmeric is one of the best things you could ever use right now. Very good for inflammation and paint joint and all them things. So we're gonna go with it with a few slices. All right. Green apple. This is a heart of a green apple with the seeds. We're gonna use it also. Okay. So we are using half of an apple into the blender. Lovely. So you guys can see. So that's half of the apple right there. Now we're going to get some celery to put inside of it. So we're using 2 sticks of celery. All right, celery is very good for the immune system. Excellent. So that's the celery right there. All right, now we're going to get some couple slices of cucumber. All right. Right here, we have a couple slices of cucumber straight into the blender. All right. And that is excellent right there. As you guys can see, that is my, I did say I was gonna use half of the cucumber, green apple, but I'm just gonna finish up the whole green apple right here, okay? Because it makes sense using up the green apple, to be honest with you. Lovely. So we're going to put some water, roughly about 8 cups of water into it. All right, excellent. Now, let's put on the lid. We're not going to use any sugar, sweetener, or honey. Naturally, as it is right there. All right, guys. So, as you guys can see, that is fantastic and an amazing. Very simple, beautiful, and effective. All right, now we are going to blend it and make some noise. All right, now before we blend, this is the book. Get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's available on Amazon, so go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of my brand new book right here. Okay, beautiful and nice. Now let's blend. Run it through our strainer. All right, so we're gonna run it through the strainer. Lovely. Excellent. So all right, so you just need to use a spoon and take out some of it. All right. Now, you see this, at least 5% is right here. Okay, 5% is inside of it. So you might wonder what you're gonna do with this. Yes, you can eat it, but the ginger blend up in it is better for you to grate the ginger, and it's going to much more better. All right. Excellent. Chef Ricardo secret flair. Let's gather around the fire. Excellent. Now, taste the rhythm, pure delight. This is how it look. Alright. And I'm gonna simple pour it out first. Okay. With every bite a happy sign. Taste Jamaica and you'll fly. Excellent, and that's it right there. Okay, so we just pour it out. Now the rest of the remain, you can eat it or you can do whatever you want to do with it, but trust me, that is amazing. We also left, and this is a juice right here, very good to detox the body and boost up the immune system, and I will recommend it to you to give this a try at home. If you like my recipe, leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and we have a lot more recipes for you guys can also make at home. All right, pick up on yourself, and remember to get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Good vibes. All right, yeah man, so leave in the comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And thank you so much once again for watching this another amazing, incredible recipe of a beautiful day. And I will be seeing you with more recipes and more ideas. And bye bye for now. So right there, guys, I can see that's the juice right there. Okay, that's amazing.